I would like to explain in more detail how to use water as a new fuel source. The water fuel cell development objectives are sponsored by the Secure Supplies Group and the Hydrogen Hot Rodding magazine and Mr. Daniel Donatelli 2023. This is an open source project and based on my work, which is patented and free for use now in the public domain. There is no one owner. It is public knowledge. It is the current state of the art. The primary purpose and objective of the water fuel injection system is to take the preconditioned and nanobubble water loaded water suspension at the right temperature and at the right charge whilst maintaining the right pressure on the fuel to the gas spark adapter and atomize it at 120 psi. The water fuel cell makes gas pressure and the expanding gases from the water act as a pump, reaching 2 bar to sending water out of the bottom of the water fuel cell to the injection rail. It then goes past a linear push solenoid that pulses the water. It pulses the water in the fuel line up to 120 pes. The nanobubble water fuel then goes into the atomization tip on the gas spark adapter. This makes a gaseous fuel from the nanobubble water appear at the perfect timed top dead center moment of engine ignition timing. This new completely clean and green fuel, which is highly explosive with more force than heat, pushes out any ambient air and so reduces any nitrous oxide creation. And this new atomized gaseous fuel ignition event is made inside the engine safely. As prior, it was nano bubble water suspension with zero handling risks. The water fuel cell full system development is in the realm of scientific quest to help reverse damage being done to Earth's ecological life support system by first of all encouraging the use of nanobubble water as a new fuel source.
preserved and rebuilt green technologies actively around the world now for over 18 years. Water fueling and gas phase change technologies are changing the way your world's power and gas industries work. Helping you access these technologies is our life mission. Click the subscribe button now to join our technology releases and updates every Monday. And consider buying a ticket to the show and pressing the link in the description. If you would like to see the secrets ahead of time, head over to our Patreon Tech Merch updates are ready. If you want to look good in the H2 hot rodding scene, and if you would like to pick up some hydrogen hot rodding merch, now is your chance. Please head over to our hydrogen hot rod shop. The link is in the description. Thanks. Alternatively, you can send me an email or join me on WhatsApp chat. Details are in the description. Let me know which things you like and what sizes you like. Network of home builders is growing very fast. Whether it's a roadster, a supercar, or a yacht build, or maybe even an industrial car or gas energy project. I'm here to assist and guide you. Please head over to the Consult with Dan link in the description, book a discussion,